Yeah, so the Purple Can Club is a program that Fairfax County started to collect glass out of the single stream or the recycling bin curbside so that we can take a resource that is currently being thrown away into landfills and reuse it as material back into products that are made today. The Purple Can Club, when residents come here to bring their glass, they put it in the purple bin like the one behind me, and it's picked up. When it's full, it's picked up and sent to the IC6 transfer station, where it's taken to a lot where we hold the glass, and a local company comes and picks it up and transports it to Pennsylvania, and they use it for products such as safety vests or road paint, or even turning back into glass bottles.
It's good to educate the customers. They all want to know, is it being recycled? And it is. It's being recycled. Glass, our paper, mixed paper, our trash is going to the right location. And I believe that in more locations that we add glass boxes, the more recycled that can come through, more people are educated, we will have a good volume of glass coming in.
Fairfax Recycles Day is a day that the board put together to commemorate and to celebrate recycling inside of the community. It is November 15th, but we're having an event on November 16th at the South County Government Center where people in the community can bring some of the more hard to recycle or advanced recycling materials. They can bring that to the facility. We'll provide the service for them to dispose of that waste, as well as learn more about those waste streams and what we do with them and what happens to them, what happens to that material. So, we're really proud of the Purple Can Club. We're really proud of the inroads that we've made in the community and people's participation. These are all things that we're really proud of and we're really looking forward to in the future.